This one you sent to me, but man, I saw it all over the internet. This $120,000 banana. And then the guy eats the banana. So there's a banana on a wall at an art gallery, and it is the art installation. A banana with some duct tape sticking it to the wall. It was listed at $120,000, and then another artist comes and eats the banana. That's sort of the most simple version of the story. But at first, people were confused because they were saying, well, first off, how do you spend $120,000 on a banana? Because, well, you know what happens to a banana. Well, if you've ever left a banana out, have you ever left a banana out, Will?
Mm-hmm.
What happens to it?
Just turns all mushy and brown.
It just goes away fast.
Yeah.
A banana goes away fast. It degrades quickly. So initially, though, that was a question. What is this, crazy? Do you have too much money? What's going on here? Apparently, and this is news to me having read the article, the reason none of this matters is because those who purchased the banana installation actually got a certificate of authenticity stating that within their own private gallery, their private collection, they could display and replace this banana with any banana and still claim that it's the banana. That was the stipulation on the certificate of authenticity. Talk about being in the weeds. They know and you know that they paid the money to the artist with the original idea, but you will never be looking at the original banana. And you're okay with that, and the purchaser is okay with that. And obviously the guy eating the banana is okay with that because it looks to be a delicious banana. So there's your breakdown of the $120,000 controversial banana.
Is there like a statement made for what this should mean?
Well, the guy eating it, which is art as well, by the way, in case you were confused about that.
Filming him eating
his installation, which is eating the banana, that was called Hungry Artist, because it's the starving artist concept. You're an artist, you're in an art gallery, you're probably hungry.
It's an art performance.
So you just have the banana. But as far as the banana in the first place, I don't know what the message was there. Probably something to do, I can just guess, probably something to do with the finite nature of life in general. Nothing lasts forever, including banana installation. You know, I don't know.
Just gonna duct tape it on the wall.
Yeah, I don't know, Will. I don't know. You never know where this stuff goes.
Yeah.
But that's your breakdown. That's the basics. That's mostly what you need to know. If you want to buy one of these yourself, I don't know how many certificates are available. You can buy a certificate for $120,000 that lets you tape a banana to the wall. Officially lets you. Because don't you dare go do it on your own.
No.
Don't you dare tape a banana to the wall because you're a copycat.
Yeah.